boys? Here in Sedalia, Missouri with the boys. Riding 3 deep. What the hell are we doing today anyways, boys? We're going down to Urick. Morning, boys. Getting ready to take the bikes down. Getting ready to go up to Sedalia. Meet up with some guys we're gonna ride with to the lake. Getting ready for that. Lake Bike Week coming up real soon. Bikes are looking good. Show you some more of the ride a little later today, you know what I'm saying? From MOBBIN Supply. Yeah, I'm going to take you along for the ride. Check it out. Here we go, boys. What up, boys? Here in Sedalia, Missouri with the boys. Riding 3 deep. Got Swabby. And Justin. You guys will be seeing more of them later, don't you worry. What the hell are we doing today anyways, boys? We're going down to Urick. Urick to the, what is it? What rally is it?
Freedom of Road Riders.
Freedom of Road Riders, man. I'm pretty sure they're the people that got us where you didn't have to wear a helmet today, right, boys?
Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty sure they're the ones that got that happening, so we'll see you guys down there. We'll film a little bit of the ride.
We're about 12 minutes away, but like I said, I know the highway we need to go to, and I'll be on it, but I gotta try to remember where the hell it was.
We'll figure out if we gotta turn around, we gotta turn around. It ain't no big deal. If we gotta turn around, just go like that, man.
We gotta get it
yeah.
Middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Find it.
Yeah. the Urick bicycle rally, motorcycle rally. Are they ready? Here we are rolling up to the rally.
Is it hard enough?
Let's say way out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. I got a new drive-through.
You got that gangster lean, man. I don't know.
I'm getting my other grandkids' initials put on it. We got.
Cool place.
But you actually just put down this gravel road to the actual
No,
rally?
you just go right through here.
Oh, you just walk? You walk?
Oh, no. You will
Right.
ride
Oh,
through
and
that
then go
tunnel.
through there. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, no, you ride everywhere.
Hell yeah. I was like, there ain't no motorbikes out here, so that don't make no sense.
No, there was a guy whenever you went to the bathroom, he
Oh, rolled through.
And then I forgot that is what we did last year. I'll just verify with them real quick.
Oh yeah, man.
I can still feel
That was a
the
fun
air.
ride, except for the long straightaway from Clinton to
Dude, it was just nothing.
everything else is fun. I was like, I don't know if these guys want to go 100 down this thing the whole way or 70. I didn't know for sure. I tried to just go back and forth. I don't
know
really
when
like
we
to
were
roll
at-
just 90 the whole time and just get
we
a
were
ticket. I like to.
is it Calhoun? No, Windsor and Calhoun. We passed by a cop and I was like, how you guys doing?
Usually.
Nah, I heard that.
Oh,
shit.
Nice day to ride. I'll tell you that. It felt incredible. The whole time I was almost like, man, I almost gotta get rid of this guy. It's getting a little wet. But not too bad. You gonna make it to this other rally or what? I don't know.
We are bored. Urick bike rally for road freedom riders. Riding with some boys from their group today. Pretty cool. Some bikes rolling through. Jayden went by and picked up, what is it? 3/4 inch drive, 1.5 inch.
Socket.
Socket, baby. Socket. Fire top stem nut. We was trying to look for it when we was up in Jeff City when we was getting the goo gun. Couldn't find it. Obviously, we got the goo gun, boys. We got the goo gun. Hell yeah. Yo. Got some other stuff in too. Hell yeah.
Simple but needed.
You boys will see what this is. Something small. As y'all might remember, when we was up in Sturgis, got my handlebars or my grips replaced because one of them broke. Got some OG Metal Militia donuts, baby. Hell yeah. We're gonna throw these on.
You're gonna be tight fit.
Gonna be a tight fit, baby. I'm used to putting big things in small places, you know what I'm saying, boys? Hell yes.
Oh yeah.
Dude, if y'all don't know who the Metal Militia is, they pretty much invented freestyle motocross.
Pretty legit.
Oh yeah.
Successful, simple install.
Hell yeah. We're gonna throw the other one on, man. We're getting, like I said, we're still getting these bikes ready. Went up to Columbia today. Got the hoodies all dialed in. Gonna get those sent out pretty soon. We'll be wearing them when we go down the lake.
Already asked off for that, so don't gotta worry about that.
Jayden's gonna be missing that one, boys. He's gonna be at the lake. He missed the Urick Festival. He ain't gonna miss the Lake Ozark one, though, boys. He ain't gonna miss the Lake Ozark one. You know what I'm saying? All right, boys. We'll keep on tuning you guys in when we're getting ready for the lake event, and we'll see you guys next time.
For sure.
Yep. Catch you next time around.